Hola guys, this is Cuba from Cuba Automotive. I'm just doing this quick little video to give a shout out to one of my viewers, Mr. John Turner, Canadian, who is a guy on a sticker mission. So I sent him some stickers and he went out and sent me this instead. So let me open this. I really appreciate the last video I did was my chef friend over here, Nissan Altima, and the fuel gauge was acting up and leaking, and then towards the end it just wouldn't measure. So another friend of mine told me how to fix that issue, Mr. Mario Rojas from Super Mario Diagnostics. Check out his channel, and he told me to just take out the straighter valve within the gauge itself and it should be good. So I was going to attempt to also repair it myself anyway. But here's Mr. John Turner's gifts. It's a vacuum pressure gauge here. And ay Dios mío. That's pretty awesome. Check out this guy. I do have a vacuum pressure gauge, but I do not have a case to go with it. My old Craftsman vacuum pump, it's probably like 30 years old by now, and it's kept in a Ziploc case, like one of the food containers. And I also have like extra vacuum connections and such. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. I love how big that is. Like a palm. It's pretty awesome. Thank you so much, John. Oops, I gotta put this in there. I'm so distracted. Alright, get that. So that's a vacuum pump. I'm gonna put my name all over it. And then a replacement fuel gauge, ATC. And this is a 5630 gauge, part number. And that is pretty awesome. Can't wait to test it out. So I'm looking forward. So I just wanted, a quick shout out to him, and what else? Oh, and the day before I got this, another YouTuber friend of mine from the Science of Diagnostics. Science of Diagnostics, Mr. Kris LEWIS. He gave me one of his Veris scan tool / scope / computer / multifunction, old school Veris. And I am so thankful to him that it's an amazing gizmo. I can't even emphasize. And everything works. It's got the 17.2 scan program, I guess you could say, version. Goes back as far as 83, I believe, and as new as 2016. So I am so stoked on that. It's a 4-channel scope, and that's what I was really stoked about. So I'm just thankful. So I want to thank those two guys. Amazing people, amazing just community. So thanks for watching. Until the next one, hopefully very soon.